Hello, my name is Natalène. I'm French and I'm glad to present Les Ateliers de Natalène, a cultural and gourmet journey in Paris. I want to use my experience of being an expat myself and to share my knowledge about my country and the culture and my passion for the French patisserie to help you make the most of your time and experience in France. That is why I propose two offers: French patisserie workshops and visits in Paris and its area around the story of a specific patisserie. The journey includes the discovery of an area and a related tasting. For example, we could investigate La Madeleine de Proust, starting from La Maison de Proust in the 8th district, and then tasting Madeleine at La Boutique de la Comédie Française or at La Pâtisserie Sébastien Godard. Groups are limited to 8 people in order to encourage discussions, share experiences, and good ideas. Pastry workshops can take place at my home in Boulogne-Billancourt or at your home. Virtual workshops are also possible on Teams. Do not hesitate to contact me for more information. Come and join Les Ateliers de Natalène. See you soon. Bye bye.